Y'all see this? Medium rare steak, gel som. Let's go. Look at that pepper. Let's go. That's so good. See this? Nice, juicy, golden brown. Let's go. Cheers. This is your sign to cook your ribs and steak in grass-fed butter. We're out of power and we're improvising. We got that gel som right here, better known as crack sauce, as a lot of you like to call it, but I like to call it gel som because you know what it is. Alright, grass-fed butter. This is the type I use, Kirkland, grass-fed, none of that generic stuff. This is what your food's gonna look like when it's done. Deliciousness. Let me get you some. Let me show y'all some. Watch this. You ready? Look at that. Nice golden brown. Look at that grass-fed butter. See another one. Ready? Look at that. Looks good. Good. If I don't like for more, see you next time.